Welcome to Eat Your Backyard, my YouTube channel, and it's cherry harvest season.
Yep.
We've got a bumper crop. Let's go check out what we have. This is a harvest video. If you like this kind of stuff, go ahead and subscribe to Eat Your Backyard. Hit the like button. Let's get right into it. Man, oh man. Look at that. Surinam cherry is a huge fruit producer. The leaves smell like very fragrant. And I know they can be used for various things, but we're not using the leaves this time. Oops. There's so many cherries forming that you can hardly pick them all. Now, Surinam cherry is a great thing to grow in your yard in Florida because it produces prolific fruit. And it generally copes with just about anything you're going to throw at it. You want to make sure you grow one that has fruit you like. Don't waste time on one that doesn't. There's a lot of variability in how the fruit tastes. This one in our yard tastes... How does it taste?
Good.
Really good. How many cherries did you eat yesterday?
3.
How many do you plan to eat today?
1.
Okay. Our method is... they keep dropping. Is to pull down the branch. We try to keep these branches pretty low so we can get them easily. Can't get them all. Ooh, this is a big one. Look at the bark on here. It kind of
fell into here.
Caught one on the fly. Let's take a look at what we got. Oh yeah. We'll put it out in the sun so we can see it glisten. Oh, look at that glisten factor. That's level 5 glistening. You see that? They look like little red pumpkins. Little alien pumpkins. They taste very interesting, very unique flavor. I like it. It's exotic flavor.
This one's a big one.
That's a fat one. I like to see that.
On your fruit trees?
Why do you think they're so big this year? Trick question. We know why. It's our little secret.
I got one with a stem.
It's a pumpkin. That's a jack-o'-lantern one. I hear them raining down. If I shake the branch just a little bit, the tree will hit the ground. We should put a worm bed right here underneath the cherry tree.
There?
Because they would have plenty of cherries to eat.
Yeah.
Heard another one. You're lucky if you don't get a cherry on the head doing this deal. Look at that. Oh, butterfly just flew by.
Looks like half
The
orange,
hidden
yellow.
treasure. Yeah, these are... Ooh. Look at them all. You want me to pull down this branch? Just have to eat this one. Sample. I like the one they're even a little bit orange like this.
Should sample this one. This one's big.
Yeah, that's the dark red version. I like them like that too. It's a much more mellow sweetness. when they're this size. We got all the varieties there.
We've
That's a good one.
mangoes left on
This is a
Edward.
partially red, partially orange one. I do like that one as well.
And there's 2 mangoes left, Edward.
Only 2. Still a lot more fruit. Tell you what.
Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
still there.
That's where you put that one the other day.
I didn't
Alright.
put it, it fell there.
You want to try to see if we can pick this one?
Got a tiny one.
Still so many. Feel as if you can never pick them all.
I feel like it's impossible.
I think the way to pick them might be just to put a big blanket under the tree and shake it.
We have almost 2 layers, so check.
Double layer. Well, we can eat. Oh, that one almost got me. Direct hit. Direct hit on the composter. We have cherry volunteer trees everywhere. In South Florida, these things are actually considered to be invasive. Here, because it freezes every once in a while, they're not. They don't like the freezing. Look at that. Yeah. Well, this is a good April for the Surinam cherry. There's just no doubt about it. The bounty is clear. I sure like the ones that are a little bit more orange.
Lump, this one is on the floor. The perfect one almost.
Oh, that's a good one. Hate to that it's already hit the floor. Compost it.
And I missed.
Here. Oh, that's a good one. Look at that. Got that. Take it out in the sun and really look at it. Something satisfying about seeing the fruit that you've grown in your hand.
I have a cherry in my hand. That's a stem.
You gonna eat it? Hey, there's some papayas up there.
Yeah.
One ripe one. I'm just gonna get the picker out.
No, it's a little eaten away.
Is it eaten away?
How did the mango end up all the way over here?
Probably because you threw it. Yeah. Oh, we got a hand of bananas coming in by the sunflowers. Look at that. Cavendish. I like
You're
that.
gonna get fruit this year by the dragon eye.
Dragon eye. Dragon eye fruit. Yes, we're gonna get a lot of dragon eye fruit this year. Look at this amount of set fruit up on these flowers. These are all potential dragon eye fruit. They're already set in, so yeah, we're gonna get a lot of dragon fruit this year. And I attribute that again to all the changes we made. Check out our other videos about all the cool stuff we added this year, but really excited about the results. Here are some of the things we added.
Oh, look at this one. It's like an entire branch of red.
Plenty of cherries.
Just want that one good red one.
The bowl fills up.
One.
Look at them all over your head. You see them all? Okay, thanks for watching Eat Your Backyard. If you like these kinds of videos, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, And maybe you'll plant a Surinam cherry in your yard. I'll leave some links in the description of a place you can get one. Thanks for watching. Eat your backyard.